Tropical storm Gonzalo has been forecast to become a hurricane before reaching the Windward Islands this weekend. Tropical storm Gonzalo is spinning in the Atlantic between Africa and the Lesser Antilles. It is forecast to become a hurricane by Thursday. Its intensity forecast is very uncertain. It should arrive in the southern Windward Islands by Saturday as a hurricane or a tropical storm. Gonzalo is the earliest seventh named storm to form in the Atlantic. Tropical storm Gonzalo is expected to become the first hurricane of the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season, east of the Lesser Antilles, but its forecast once it reaches the Windward Islands this weekend is highly uncertain. Gonzalo is located over 1,000 miles east of the southern Windward Islands, moving west. A hurricane watch has been issued for Barbados, where hurricane conditions are possible on Saturday. Gonzalo became the earliest seventh named tropical storm on record to form in the Atlantic basin. Gonzalo's tiny size and the environment around it pose a major forecast challenge for its future intensity. Dry air is currently plentiful near Gonzalo, which is one factor that can weaken and disrupt tropical cyclones. While shearing winds are currently not near Gonzalo, it may encounter some modest winds shear as it nears the Windward Islands this weekend. These factors could argue for a weakening of Gonzalo by the time it nears the Windward Islands on Saturday. However, there is an ample supply of warm deep ocean water ahead of Gonzalo, and they're generally warmer than average for this time of year. Furthermore, Gonzalo is a tiny tropical storm. Small tropical storms like this can intensify quickly in the right conditions, but they can also succumb to unfavorable conditions more quickly than a larger storm. In other words, they can strengthen and weaken much more and at a faster rate than expected. So the range of outcomes for the intensity forecast is large, anywhere from the storm remaining weak or dissipating near the Windward Islands to a hurricane striking the Windward Islands and continuing into the eastern Caribbean Sea. Fortunately, the track forecast is a bit more straightforward. It is expected that a general west-northwest track into the Windward Islands by Saturday will develop then into the eastern Caribbean Sea by Sunday. Given the intensity conundrum, it's uncertain how far Gonzalo will travel into the Caribbean next week. Interest in the Lesser Antilles, including areas as far south as Trinidad and Tobago, even the northern coast of Venezuela, should monitor the progress of this Gonzalo closely. Gonzalo is the first tropical storm this season to form in the so-called main development region of the Atlantic Ocean between Africa and the Lesser Antilles. It is a sign that we're headed towards the prime months of the hurricane season, when tropical storms and hurricanes can form not just in the Gulf of Mexico, off the southeast coast or western Caribbean Sea, but also in this main development region and take long tracks through the Atlantic basin. Comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what is your opinion on this tropical storm that has been forecasted to travel through the Caribbean, starting at the Windward Islands by Thursday. Will you be prepared for this hurricane? Have you taken the necessary precautions as we continue in the 2020 hurricane season? Of course, I hope you have put the necessary food plans in place and other safety measures. Also, remember your evacuation plans. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the Learning Academy. Stay safe